Hi guys, Miggy Make It Go here with another how-to video. We put out videos every Friday on crafts, DIY, home improvements, general business advice, and anything else you can think of. If there's something you want to see us do, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to make sure you can see all of our videos. Enjoy this video. We're going to look at setting up a modem. So you might have NBN or ASDL or anything like that. So make sure you order the correct modem for what you want to be doing. So your internet provider will help you with that. When it arrives in the mail, I had this box here. I got it from a company called Belong, and I just checked that I did get everything out of the box correctly. And this is what the box looks like. So my provider did give a very good instructional sheet, but not all providers will have that. The biggest thing is that they point out that you do need to wait until you've got a notification from them saying that your account has been activated. So in this case it was an SMS, but it might be an email or something like that. Make sure you do look at all of the instructions that they come with, and make sure that the first thing you do is pull everything out and make sure everything that is supposed to come with it comes with it. There should be like a packing sheet or something like that. Take the wrapping off everything, and then I plugged the internet cable into the DSL port on the back of the modem. The other end of that same cable then goes into the wall of your house. So this is what the wall of my house looks like. Make sure you do push it in quite firmly and hear the click. The next thing is to look at the power cable. So that's this cable here. One end will go into the DC in, or the power area of the back of the modem, and the other end just simply plugs into the wall. Make sure you have turned the socket off at the wall before you do this. Once it is plugged in, you can then turn it on. Now the buttons will stay as they are with no lights, and you then want to push the power button on the back of the modem. Once that is done, you will see a green light by the power, and it may take a few moments for the buttons to set themselves up. They might flash for a few minutes, so you just want to wait until they've stopped flashing and they are running steady. You then want to have a look on your laptop or your PC, and if you've got wireless connectivity, it should show up. If it doesn't, you will have to take the Ethernet cable and plug that in, but there will be instructions for that as well. With your wireless settings, it should show up. So this one here says that it's called Belong and then a code. You can click on that and try to connect. All of the details that you need should be on the back of the modem or in a card with the modem. Here's a picture of the front of the modem now. It is now set up. Wi-Fi is going, internet is going, sync is going, and the power is obviously on. And the next thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to the default gateway access. So there will be a default gateway that you do need to locate, and you log into that, and that will then come up with a username and password, which will be sent to you as well. So it is important when you set up a modem that you change the password to the modem, and you also change the Wi-Fi password. So log in on a browser, and there will be places, it will look different depending on what your user, the company, your internet provider is, but log in, and then you want to be changing your network name, your network password, and also your account password. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Just remember, we do put out new videos every Friday. If there's something that you want us to do, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can see whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.